how to create Canva designs in Bulk. So the first step is to simply go to Canva. Now the next step is to simply create your design. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use a template. So I'm gonna search something like this. So contact, let's see, contact, and then I'm gonna use this one here. Now the next step is to click on customize this template. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply go to apps, and then here simply click on bulk create, and then here we're gonna have to simply upload our data. But you can do this manually too if you want. So if you click on this, as you can see, you have different rows, and basically these will be the names. As you can see here, you can basically edit this by clicking on it. And as you can see, based on this template, we have the phone number, the website, the email address, and the street address. Now what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna go back here, and I'm gonna enter the data manually, and here I'm gonna add some text. So this will be the phone number, and then we have the street address, and then we have the email address, and then we have, let's say, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now. And then in these rows here, you're gonna have to add the contact info and the data that you want to use in order to create those designs in Bulk. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to add their phone numbers. I'm gonna enter something random just for this tutorial. Then here the street address and so on. So I'm gonna enter here something, let me enter something random like this. I'm gonna copy this. So let's see if I can copy this. Yes, I can copy it. Here I'm gonna delete this one here. So let's see. So I'm gonna delete this. Or if you want, you can leave it like this. Now, if you want, you can also add images. So simply click on add image, and then here you're gonna have to simply upload the images. But I'm not gonna do that right now. So after you enter the data and everything, so I'm gonna create only 3 posts, and then click on done. Now here, what you're gonna have to do is simply select the data in for each field. So as you can see here, we're gonna have to select this, and then right click on it, and then simply click on connect data. So here is gonna go the phone number. Then here we have the website, but I didn't create data for websites. I'm gonna go with email address, and then here we have let's see, street address. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on continue after you connect all the data, and then here, as you can see, update data, create pages based on the data you entered. So here, if you want, you can select or unselect. So if you don't want to create page based on this, on a specific data, but I'm gonna generate 3 designs. And as you can see, after that, we're gonna have these 3 pages. So basically, this is how you can create the Canva designs in Bulk. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.